Hello guys, so in this video I will show you that how automated schedulers are working here for import and export operations. So all these operations will done automatically by the system, so without any kind of manual intervention of the user. So first of all, let me show you that this is the scheduler for import data from Xero to Odoo side, and for the demo purpose I have set this time duration as 1 minute. Okay, and this is export scheduler, so I have also set the duration of 1 minute. You will be able to see that. Okay, by these technical settings and going to over here the schedule actions, you will be able to know, you will be able to see here these two schedulers we have made for import data and export data. So by default, when you will install the module, this automated scheduler is in archived state, so you have to enable these schedulers. Okay, all right, so I will show you some of examples for automatically import and export operations. All right, so let's take first example for product import. Okay, so let me show you that. So you will be able to see that some of the products I have already created over Odoo and exported over here, but let's take a new item. Let's take like this one. Okay, like take the product as a product 7. Okay, the cost price I have set as this one. Whatever account I have to set here, I can set here. Just for one example, I am setting this account. Okay, let's take another one. Let's take this account. Okay, and the description over here, and I'm giving the selling price at 70. Let's take this account just for one example, and let's take this account here. Okay, so all these accounts are set, and the purchase and sell is also set. Let me save this product 7, as you will be able to see that. Now let's come at here at Odoo side and click on sales and the products. Okay, now when this scheduler will run, this particular product will be get imported here successfully. So we have to just wait for this particular scheduler for import operations will run here. Okay, so this scheduler is run successfully. You will be able to see that the product 7 has been successfully imported over here with all of these information, like the sales price, the cost price. Okay, and with these related accounts are also set over here with all these internal reference. The product name has been successfully imported. Okay, so you have seen that I have done nothing. So with the help of the system scheduler, the product has been imported from Xero to Odoo side here successfully. Okay, now let's also import one invoice. Okay, so let me go to this business. Let me go to just 1 minute. This invoices. Okay, and let me create one invoice. Okay, So let me create one invoice for the customer like this. Okay, just setting here. I will also set the due date. All these things are set. Now I'm taking two products here. Let's take this one, this product 3 and product 4. Let's take for this 3 quantity. Let's take for this 4 quantity. All right. Total is 451. Okay, and let me save this here. Okay, so you will be able to see that this invoice 3 has been successfully created. And let me go over here and let me show you that also by going to accounting and by going to these customer invoices. Okay, so you will be able to see that right now two invoices are here. So let's wait for this scheduler to run. Okay. Alright, you will be able to see that this invoice 3 has been successfully generated with this amount 451, and let's cross check it. This is also 451. So all these details also came here like this. All this related information along with these product lines, all of these details are here. So this 451, this is the total amount. So you have seen that. All right, now let's take an example of export functionality. Okay, so let me go here let me go to the sales. Okay, and let me go to the products. Let's create one product. Okay, so I am just creating one product here. You will be able to see that. Okay, okay, so I am just giving the name of this product as a test product. I am just setting the sales price like 50, the cost price like let's check 40, the product category as tracked. Okay, all right, and the storable product I will take over here. I will save this. Okay, the internal reference I will also set because it is mandatory. All right, I will also update the quantity of this product. All right, so let's give this product quantity as 50. Okay, now let me go here at Xero side. Let me just refresh the page. Okay, so you will be able to see that this test product is successfully exported from Odoo to Xero side with all of these related information. So like this you will be able to know that this import and export functionality is working successfully for all kinds of operations that we have provided. Let me show over here by going to accounting configuration and Xero accounting configuration. You will be able to see that for all of these operations of import and export, you will be able to know that by setting the schedulers with scheduled actions, these operations can be run successfully without any kind of manual intervention. Okay, you can also see that when I will create a new invoice at the Odoo side, so it will also work. Okay, let's take an example. Let's create new customer. Let's take allies. Okay, all right, let's select over here product 3 and product 4. So let's take 2 quantity of these, let's take 3 quantity of these. Okay, let's save this over here at Odoo side. Okay, now let's go to the Xero invoices and wait for this automatic scheduler to export this invoice from Odoo to Xero side. Okay. Okay, you will be able to see that here this invoice is successfully created with this amount 324. This amount is also 324. All right, you will be able to see, after clicking on that, you will be able to see all of these invoice related information. Okay, so you have seen that like this you can easily import and export data automatically without any kind of manual intervention with the system automatically. Okay, so that's about that, how automated schedulers for import and export of operations are working here, and how we provided this, and how these schedulers are working for all kinds of operations that we have provided. And it will also work for any kind of update operations also. So if you will change any kind of invoice related subtotal amount, or if you will update any kind of contact information or product related name, title, like this, it will also work. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.